Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're going into the Magic Kingdom. Let's enter together as we walk through the tunnel onto Main Street, USA. Such an awesome feel of energy every time I come through this way, and I love to bring you along for the walk. And here we are. Of course, over here is where you can meet Mickey Mouse, and you'll be able to hug him come April 18th with the character meet and greet. Social distance will start to fade out starting the 18th, according to Disney. Phase out is the term they use. So right here, only 20-minute wait today. And as we're walking in, I'm just gonna roll it. I like to roll as we just kind of walk in. We have the Pearl River Central Blue Brigade from Mississippi, looks like. Check it out. Let's go have some fun. Here we are, guys, walking down Main Street. Look at that awesome castle. So great. Look at the balloons. Always love looking at the balloons, Roberta. Is that an Easter one we have there? That is definitely an Easter balloon. Look at that. That is beautiful. First time I'm seeing that one. And it looks pretty big. And I think we may have a cavalcade coming. Let me get a little closer look. The last couple times we've come into the Disney park, the Cavalcades have been coming right down the road as we came in. Double bonus treat, Medling World. This is one of the newer Cavalcades, guys. A lot of really cool characters in this one, especially the princesses. Zootopia characters here. That is so cool. Is that Pedro? I think it is. And Mary Poppins, so cool. Want to say something to one of our subscribers, Maureen. The last time we were at Hollywood Studios, you said they rolled out the red carpet for us. I think they might have done it again tonight at the Magic Kingdom. I hope you guys can see that. I am using a GoPro, so I don't really have a zoom, but look, we have some ducks and a bunny just eating some grass here at the Magic Kingdom. Isn't that so cool, Roberta and Jake?
Yeah.
And actually, Roberta, thank you everybody who has bought us a coffee these past couple weeks. If you would like to buy us a coffee, there is a link in the description of this video called Buy Me a Coffee. We appreciate your donation, and it helps us continue to make awesome vlogs and content for you all. Making our way to Fantasyland, guys. Check out Stitch. Right? Is that's Stitch, right, Roberta?
Yeah.
Of course it is. You know why I know it's Stitch? Because Roberta, he's upside down on my shirt. Check it out. I love, this is one of my favorite, him biting that 50 medallion. We're heading over into Fantasyland because we want to ride the mine train, guys. Let's go check out the mine train. We're back here at the mine train. We're gonna go on, and of course Roberta is gonna film a few clips for you guys so you guys can see the mine train. And we also actually have a POV of this entire ride, which we will drop in the link of the video. Ah, man, I love the mine train. It's so fun. As long as you meet the height requirement here for your kids, it's a lot of fun. I'm the first one to tell you, I get sick easily on rides. This ride, you will not be sick. It's just a lot of fun. I think right now we want to head over to the People Mover because it looks like Tron is actually starting to get the roof kind of put onto the ride. So I want to go by and see if we can get some updates on the progress of the construction of a new roller coaster that will be here at the Magic Kingdom, Tron. If you're not familiar with the People Mover, I just give you a perspective from here. You can kind of see it coming around. And it kind of goes all around Tomorrowland. It's very relaxing. It's really good to do if you just want to take a little break from all the walking and everything going on at the park. It's nice to just kind of go on it with your family and talk about maybe something fun you did during the day, or to make plans for the rest of the day. So let's go check out some updates on Tron. Up we go to the People Mover.
Two exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land. The People Mover.
Over there, guys, you can see Main Street USA lit up. And then here's the castle. Oh, what a beautiful shot.
Very dull race stop. The upper room, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
We're coming up to Tron here, guys.
Wow, look at that.
Tron has really, I hope it's not too dark, and you guys can see the dome is on there now, Roberta and Jake. Jake, what do you think? You can start to see some of the cart where the roller coaster is going to be on is starting to be assembled. I'm not sure if that might be the queue. Not quite sure. But wow, you can really start to see the progress here. I'm loving this. I am so excited for this ride. And we have another duck on the loose. Please take a moment, subscribe if you have not already, hit that like button, and last but not least, see ya!
That's why he's here. He gets all the popcorn from the back.
Roberta wanted you to know that the ducks are always here because he eats all the popcorn. I don't know, she just added that in.